Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G22 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number. We can use a secret code, which is the fastest way, and we can use the settings. Of course, I'll show you both, and maybe let's start with the settings. Let's start with them. So we have to open the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here we have to scroll down in order to find model and hardware. As you can see, we do not have the serial number here in this first section, so we have to tap on the model and hardware and the serial number will appear. The much faster way actually to check this number is to use a secret code. So let's open the dialer, and the code for it is *#06#. And as you can see, here we are provided with a serial number. So as you can see, you can use two different ways, the fastest one, so the secret code, and if you will forget the secret code, you can always do it by using the settings. So basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.